Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you that Theta first broke out a quite long-term down channel on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, it also broke out another very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, the price line even went more bullish. And now recently we have broken out this very huge resistance of $2.20, and after that the price line dropped down at this resistance, and now this resistance is breaking as a support, as it had been previously breaking as a support here as well. And by the way, before that, it had been also breaking as a resistance here. And now it is again flipped into a nice support. But at the same time, the price line has also broken down the conversion line of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, this blue line you can see. And now this conversion line can again work as a resistance for the price line. However, the price line did not break down this baseline of this Ichimoku bearish cloud, this brown line that is now working as a support. Let me remove the conversion line so baseline will be more visible to you. You can see that this brown line is now breaking as a support, and the conversion line did not cross down the baseline. If it would be crossing down this baseline, then we may expect a very big move to the downside, and it may break down the support of $2.20. However, you can see that still we have this bull cross between these two moving averages, the conversion line and the baseline, and now this baseline is breaking as a support, and therefore now there is a probability that using this support the price line may also break out this conversion line, the resistance of the conversion line. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Theta that is formed. There is a quite big move which is formed on a monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Theta that I shared, by the way, in the month of December, on 8th of December 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Theta formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price started a very nice reversal from this line on, and this was almost 40% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, I would like to show you a very huge setup that I shared, this one that was formed on a monthly time frame chart, and I shared this move on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And this move is formed on the monthly time frame chart. This is a very huge garlic pattern that Theta formed on the monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is geared up but still moving inside this potential reversal zone, and I'm expecting that soon it may hit the sell target zone of this garlic pattern, and the technical target for this garlic pattern can be between $8.18 and goes to $13.21. Now let's move to the live chart, and here you can see that for the past several months Theta was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. You can see this was the resistance and this was the support since after the month of March 2021. And from the month of May 2022, we found another downtrend line support, and this was the formation of another falling wedge pattern within this bigger down channel. And when the price then broke out the resistance of the down channel, imminently it also broke out this very huge resistance of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, that is now working as support. Previously it had been working as a very long-term resistance, and now you can see it is flipped into a nice support. And you can see that while testing the support of $2.20, the price line also tested this support of EMA 21. We had a long spike to the downside, but the price line did not break down EMA 21 and geared up, and before that it had been also working as a support here as well for several weeks, while testing the support of 90 cents. At the same time it also tested the support of EMA 21 as well. Now if we take a look at this Ichimoku bearish cloud that was broken out here in the month of, in fact here it broke it out in the month of Feb 2024, and after that you can see that it turned even more bullish. And in those days I've been telling you that now we have broken out this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and it can now work as a very strong support. And you can see in fact it worked as a support after the breakout the price, and has been testing this level as a support for several weeks, and after that the price has geared up. And so far, from this low to this high, you can see that Theta has rallied almost 547%, and during this rally the price line has also broken out this very huge resistance of $2.20 that had been previously working as a very strong support here and resistance here, and now again it is flipped into a nice support. Now the next upcoming resistance will be here. That will be approximately at $4.50. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support level, then you can see that previously this $4.50 has been breaking at a very strong resistance here and support here as well. Now, if you take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, by the way, the target for the falling wedge pattern was here at the top of this wedge. That was approximately at $2.20, and you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target, and the target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is between $16 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.